people are like, we grew up watching you, and I'm like,
Yeah.
how old do you think I am? You can be a little less intelligent. This is what I was told. Happy Patel actually was one of the first things that awakened me from my slumber of not having work. Disadvantage of having a smart and a really, really nerdy sister is that you get told that आपको भी मार्क्स लाने हैं, आपको भी टॉप करना है. मी तुझ्यात इतकी भोकं पाडीन की तू कन्फ्यूज होशील की श्वास कुठून घ्यायचा आणि पादायचं कुठून.
Yet another episode of The Good Girl Show with Sabki favorite. And I say this because I don't think I know anybody who doesn't love this girl. It's Mithila Palkar on The Good Girl Show. Hi, Mithila.
I'm so happy to
Welcome.
be here finally.
I'm so happy to have you. Before we start, I'm also very happy to have a very special partner on the show, which is Aurelia. I'm also wearing Aurelia. So thank you for being a big support. Thank you, Mithila, for being on the show. Congratulations on 10 years! Woo! Wow. What, how is that making you feel? Are you feeling
Old.
like a serious? Of course.
It feels fun, yeah. It is really fun to. In fact, for whatever reason, this morning the cup song has showed up on X, and somebody has shared it.
Really?
Yeah, again, and then people are resharing it, and it's just it's too sweet. People are like, we grew up watching you, and I'm like, how old do you think I am? But I get it.
I have lots of things to talk to you about, but हम हमेशा show start करते हैं with a segment which is called the Good Girls Report Card. Okay. Now the first part on this report card is I've been called. तो यहाँ पे कुछ words है. You have to tick the words that people have used for you. अभी growing up कभी भी.
Definitely talkative,
Okay.
and definitely a girl's girl.
Hmm.
Growing up, though, these two things predominantly. Baki, ye rebel and brave and opinionated and all happened as I grew up. Like,
Okay.
I don't think like school time or wo time pe main itna aisa, I was not so out there about these things. If they could call me opinionated back then, then it would have been great. But I guess it's not on them. That was on me. I would just keep to myself my opinions. It's
So-
only much later that I started expressing myself.
Okay. You have never rebelled.
Of course, I have. So now all of these things.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
I am dramatic. I have also in some version been told to not be too much. Like, don't be witty, na, in every conversation.
है?
Like, yeah.
ये क्या है?
Because I made some sort of I tried to make a joke. Like I joked with somebody, and it apparently was a witty comment, which I would otherwise take as a compliment.
Of course it is. हाँ.
But I was told that you can be a little less intelligent. This is what I was told.
Wow.
It's okay. In every room, you don't have to. So I was like, you want me to make myself smaller? So yeah.
What would be your advice to anybody to deal with this? अगर किसी को ये आज अभी बोला जाए now, because you have that wisdom and you know how to respond to things like this, what would you tell those girls?
My general advice is be unapologetic for who you are. I don't think you have to be sorry for having an opinion. In fact, if anything, be proud of yourself that you have a voice and have an opinion, have the privilege of sharing the opinion. So that also comes from a place of privilege.
Right.
And yeah, just be unapologetic, because I feel like if you don't show for yourself, nobody else will.
Yeah. This girls is very interesting because I feel like I have become a girl's girl after a certain, like now, I don't think I was always a girl's girl. I was always competing with other girls, and that's so internalized. हमेशा हमें यही सिखाया
Yeah.
जाता है, right? So it's not my fault also.
Sure.
But have you always been a girl's girl, or have you felt something has changed in the way you look at these relationships as you've grown older?
No, I've always been.
Wow.
Because I don't think I thought differently even when I was younger. I don't think I was ever pitted against, like, or I don't think that was a conditioning ever for me. I had a sister growing up, so like
Correct.
I always had that girl
Girl code.
in my life. And um all of my closest, like my first line of people, most of them are my schoolgirls. Like the 9 of us are still as tight as we used to be. So those girls are the ones that I met in school, and I continue to be friends with them. Literally yesterday I've met them. We meet almost every day. Now it's like sounding like an obsession to even to us कि ये बहुत बार मिल रहे हैं हम, ये normal नहीं होता है लोगों की जिंदगी में. But that's what my relationship has been with them, and I will always show up for them, and that was never even a question. So, and they will show up for me.
Correct.
So yeah, I think it was always a thing for me.
Yeah. What's your favorite girl code? Like something, वो एक unspoken कुछ rules होते हैं ना आपके female friendships में.
Whoa, that's a good question actually.
Like little things, right? Like you never go to a washroom alone. Yeah. Like if you are sitting with your girl friends, then somebody will accompany you to the washroom. मतलब it's just like a ritual. It's an unsaid thing. वो हो ही जाता है.
That is true. I also like the fact that काफी चीजें आंखों ही आंखों में भी हो जाती है. Especially in public, you just have to look at your girl and she knows.
Correct.
Whether you need to be rescued, whether you need to be like accompanied for something. I like that not too much needs to be said.
Right.
They just know it when they are there.
Yeah. Yeah. The intuition.
Yeah, that intuition is, I think it's very sacred to, like, that is a girl code, I would think.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's come to the next part on this. This is feedback and remarks. Now, this is about your report card when you were a little girl.
Oh my god.
ठीक है, तो मुझे बताओ कि एक a remark that was, तो किस तरह के remarks हुआ करते थे on your report card?
I think it would be something on the lines of she talks too much.
Wow.
Because I'm a very chatty person, man. I love to chit chat. So yeah,
Talks too much.
Yeah, I think it would be that.
Okay.
I think it would be.
ठीक है. If you had to write a remark, Mithila, on your report card
Okay.
today, what would you write for Mithila today?
I would think that I would want to, just so that it like as a reminder to, like, you have explored all the things that you have wanted to. Now, for once, learn an instrument. That instrument that musical instrument that you've been wanting to learn.
Wow. कौन सा है वो instrument?
वो बदलता रहता है, but sitar. I have been
yeah.
wanting to learn. Realistically, it's really tough.
It is.
But just so that it is a good reminder to myself, I will just write that remark. वो याद है जब 10 साल पहले तुमने कहा था कि सितार सीखनी है जो अब तक आपने सीखी नहीं.
हाँ. Okay. So maybe next time you're on the show, we'll have a sitar.
I don't know. I hope so.
Okay.
I hope so.
But
some instrument.
Some instrument. ठीक है. Okay. But Mithila, you have an elder sister. ठीक है. And like if I ask this question to my younger sister, मुझे पता है कि एक बहुत लंबा rant निकलेगा. Tell me an advantage and a disadvantage of being the younger sibling.
Advantage is definitely that वो सारी गलतियाँ वो कर लेती है.
हाँ.
And then you kind of get to learn from her experiences. So you know that, like, Tai has done this and she got scolded for it. So then you want to do that, then you find another way to do it, not the way she, like, that is a great, like, what do you call it, as a guide. That is the advantage. Disadvantage of having a smart and a really, really nerdy sister is that you get told that आपको भी marks लाने हैं, आपको भी top करना है, क्योंकि look at her, see what she's doing. Well, she's a PhD in neuroscience and I'm an actor, so you know where our lives went. But
hey, you are also intelligent. You're an intelligent girl.
That's correct.
Yes.
But yeah, so that is the disadvantage, that there's always a comparison in that sense. And it was more external. Like वो बाहर से ज्यादा आता है कि वो अच्छा तुम्हारी दीदी ये कर रही है और तुम क्या कर रही हो, टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग. या ओ अच्छा दीदी के ये इतने मार्क्स आए, तुम्हें कितने आए, type of a thing. So
correct.
That is a little bit of a disadvantage for sure.
Yeah. Did that ever make you like angry kabhi bhi?
Yeah, it did. It did. Because it and she knows this because she and I are super, super tight also, very, very close. And I feel like it did make me believe that I'm not smart. And my understanding of what a smart person is or what an intelligent person is was only that कि आपको marks लाने हैं, आपको पढ़ाई करनी है. Like you have to get into the field of science, which is a more conventional field, because arts में क्या है,
हाँ,
वहाँ से कहाँ जाओगे type of a
Correct.
thing.
correct.
So yeah, I feel like that did make me angry because it kind of became a part of my personality that, oh, so then I'm not intelligent or I'm not smart, and I attributed intelligence to these things.
I often see जैसे कुछ एक टिपिकल वर्ड्स होते हैं जिससे लोगों को स्पेशली एक्टर्स को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, राइट? लाइक आई मोस्टली सी अ नेम और अ फ्रेज दैट्स रियली स्टक विथ यू इज गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर. Okay, relatable, girl next door, cute. Have you ever sort of A, liked these phrases always attached to you, and B, have you ever tried to shed that image?
I have liked it, yes. I have enjoyed it because that has made me approachable, and I like that. I have always been that person, and I in fact feel very bad because when people write to me in my DM saying that I saw you but I didn't come up to you because I was shy or whatever, and I feel like, Arey, but like I'm also shy actually. Like if you come up to me and tell me I'm a fan, I am very awkward. But I can sit and chat like this socially. I'm very social, so it is like that. मैं भी उतनी ही shy हूँ about this, or awkward हूँ rather. So it's okay. Just like don't tell me you couldn't come up to me because that makes me feel like, oh,
You're not approachable.
yeah.
Correct.
So I have always enjoyed that. And have I tried to change it? No, not really. Not really. As an actor, I have tried to do
Yeah.
different things, yes, because that becomes very important because then it's a certain stereotype. But as a person, I like being a girl next door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as an actor, you know, or as a woman in the industry, have you tried to shed that image? Have you ever felt कि इसका कुछ disadvantage रहा है? Like, have you felt people take you for granted when you are too approachable, or people take you less seriously? Yeah.
Yes. There is a certain thing that is said very often कि you're so easy to work with. And I know I am. I'm not one to make anybody's life unnecessarily difficult. But what that also does is कि तो आप कर लोगे ना. Like, I'm sorry this is happening. Or I'm sorry we are asking this of you. But it's okay, right? Like you'll do it right. Like, and it is, and I find it hard to say no, I guess. I guess that is something that I do struggle with. So then it becomes, sometimes I do struggle with the fact that I do get taken for granted. So I feel like it's not about being difficult, it's more about being assertive and
Correct.
knowing that this is what you want. So be polite about it. You don't have to be rude, but I'm learning.
Yeah. And how are you learning? What have you learned? How are you trying to set boundaries? कैसे?
By saying it.
Okay.
Like, this is not something that I'm comfortable with. If we can meet midway for making this happen, I'm good. I will be there. The good part is also that there are certain layers. Like there is a manager, so you can let your manager know that.
Right.
Can you please let them know that I'm not okay with this?
But do you also feel that that's why do you feel that girls are expected to be good girls? Which is like-
Of course. I have grown up like that because I feel like my idea of that was कि मुझे obedient बनना है, मुझे disciplined बनना है, और मुझे अच्छे marks लाने हैं, and like these are the things that make adults or parents or like guardians basically happy. So that is when they will like appreciate me. So that is those were my definitions of being a good girl.
Yeah.
So there are pros and cons of it also. कि मैं जैसे जैसे बड़ी हो रही थी, I felt like sometimes I found myself questioning कि am I a good girl because I have now conditioned myself to be this way, or am I actually like this?
Yeah.
You know, because sometimes you're just doing it for
Correct. External
External
validation and
validation.
everything.
which mattered to me. Yes, it mattered to me that my grandparents were on my side. My parents were pretty chill, but then I enjoyed that. And then I think that also comes from this whole girl next door. Yeah, a lot of families are like, "अरे तू हमारे घर की बेटी की तरह लगती है." Like all of that feeling, I enjoy it. At the same time, the minute I stop wearing traditional outfits and then wear something that is not defined as a good girl outfit,
Yeah.
then I get flack for it also. Because that good girl image is something that is a perception also of the audience. So it's like, this is how we perceive you. Don't ruin it for us.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Like, don't wear bikinis. Don't put out these photos. So it does come from there, I think. And while I appreciate that you think I'm a good girl, because I know I am, I am also not trying to that I made peace with it. कि
हाँ.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं है, मेरा कोई प्रिटेंस नहीं है यहाँ पे, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है, एंड दिस इज हु आई एम, आई कांट बी एनीथिंग एल्स. So while I appreciate that, I think थोड़ा तो liberty, and I don't think there is anything bad about like, you know,
That's
what I
what I was
like, I
saying,
don't
like,
think outfits define
Correct.
your
Who's good or
and
bad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all of that I had to kind of start making sense of in my head, because suddenly you start questioning, you go inward and you're like, oh, am I doing something wrong again? And I'm like, in fact, if anything, my grandfather was always fashion forward. For the one person whose validation was so important to me, he was always fashion. I was never told, ye mat pehenna, wo mat karna. He was always telling me to be financially independent, क्योंकि मिडिल क्लास हाउस होल्ड्स, आप 23 साल के हो जाते हो, शादी कर लो, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन starts happening at home.
Right.
He was always of the opinion कि शादी वादी हो जाएगी. I'm not worried. Be financially independent first, find yourself, then. So he was very liberal in very different ways. And yet at the same time, there were some things about him which were, which came from the conservative world. But otherwise, he was very like, कभी भी मुझे, अरे ये स्कर्ट बहुत ही शॉर्ट पहनी है आपने, कभी मुझे नहीं बोला.
I think I'll take this as a segue and move to a next segment. It's the Aurelia Trend Talk segment. Okay. And it's a fun segment, which is, what would you wear for the following? So we want to know what Mithila's fashion choices are. What would you wear for a girl's night out?
Night out, like a dress, like a slinky number or something, like a one long dress.
What would you wear if you're meeting his parents?
I'll be this. Okay, no, I should give better answers. But I will be casual only, yeah, like a t-shirt, jeans, whatever. I don't think there's an image that I'm trying to create for myself. I hope whoever the he is will know me, and thus consequently I hope the parents will know that this is how she is. तो मुझे कोई image नहीं बनानी है अपनी उनके साथ, ये मैं हूँ जो हूँ.
Okay. What would you wear on your first day of periods?
Anything that's comfortable. Any like loose pant. The color doesn't matter. White bhi chalega mujhe. but it just has to be really loose and comfortable. Like loose t-shirt, loose pants, so that it's just, because it's such a day of your life.
Correct.
So
on a day after breakup, after a heartbreak, just the next day.
No pajamas.
That's fair. Okay. सबसे low effort basically.
हाँ, मतलब घर में ही बैठना है ना, अगर रोना है तो.
Okay. On a day when you hope to run into your ex, like you're going to run into your ex today, so would you like to do something extra?
Not really.
No?
No. मेरा presence ही काफी है.
He's
missing out.
Aura काफी है, aura. Okay. Receiving an award.
That, so there is a lovely stylist girl in my life called Shrija. She can decide what. But it depends on what award. Like there have been I have worn different things at different events. So depends on the theme. ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
Okay, but shout out to Shrija.
Shout out to Shrija, yes.
Okay. On a first date.
Ooh, that also I'm a very like skirt and top kind of girl. I really love like long pencil skirts and all of that. So a little bit like little feminine type I will wear.
Okay. Best friend's wedding.
Oh, that so I'll go all out. At my best friend's wedding, I have actually many best friends have gotten married, and
Yeah.
yeah, so lots of fun like lehengas or saris. Yeah.
Okay, last two. On a day you want to feel confident and powerful, like you want to like really feel very, very confident, what will you wear?
Nice trousers and a nice shirt. Like I feel very formal about it. Confident.
Okay. And last one, on a bad mental health day,
Pajamas.
pajamas.
Yeah. Again, very low effort. Like I don't want to think about what to wear on that day.
Yeah. एक पता है एक और गुड गर्ल कंडीशनिंग भी रही है विच इज आउटफिट. ओके, आउटफिट्स डिसाइड इफ यू आर अ गुड गर्ल और यू आर अ
हाँ,
बैडी. लाइक इफ यू आर ड्रेस्ड अप इन अ कुर्ता, इफ यू आर ड्रेस्ड अप इन एथनिक वेयर, इफ यू आर ड्रेस्ड अप फुल्ली, you are a good girl. But the moment you wear crop top, you are a baddie. Okay, but I also today feel like, for example, women owning all of that, right? Like I see young girls today wearing like a kurta or wearing like an ethnic wear, not because they want to be good girls, because they're just comfortable in it.
Yeah, that makes sense because like a lot of things that we see on social media also are telling of the fact that
Yeah.
they are more like they are very confident about what they wear and how they look, and they are very sure of this is how they want to look, and there's no, again, unapologetic, which I love.
Do you think that the perception of Indian wear has changed for women today? Like how I was saying, right? Like Indian wear would be that, oh, I want to be a good girl. I want to look like a behaved
Oh
girl.
yeah, that definitely has changed.
You know?
And I feel like a lot of people are choosing that as like everyday wear. I see so many girls like I love this whole, and I know it's not a very recent trend, but I love this whole like wearing t-shirts with
Yeah.
saris.
Oh, I
instead of
love
blouses.
that.
I love it. I love
Love
it.
that.
I do that a lot of times. So I to enjoy. I love that. Like it's become like a pop culture fashion.
Yes. Okay. I now again have another fun segment for you. Okay, because Mithila is our Marathi
Chatty.
mulki.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है? So this is a segment which is called "Your Marathi accent is so sexy." Say it again.
Why sexy becomes whispery only? God knows.
I know, right?
What are you whispering about?
तो मैं कुछ बहुत ही रैंडम सॉन्ग के लिरिक्स या डायलॉग्स देने वाली हूँ, एंड यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट टू मराठी.
Okay.
सरकाइलियो खटिया जाड़ा लगे.
जरा पलंग सरकवतो उसका थंडी वाजते है. I'm not going to do it sexily because I'll only laugh if I do it.
But that was quite sexy.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, next one. ये बहुत मजेदार ये. अगर तुम रूपा की चड्डी पहनोगे तो रूपा क्या पहनेगी?
जर तू रूपाची चड्डी घातलीस तर रूपा काय घालणार?
Okay then. The next song. I love dancing to this song. लगा ले लूं जब लिपस्टिक हिलेला सारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
Oh God. लगालेलो जब लिपस्टिक लावते जेव्हा मी लिपस्टिक तेव्हा हलतं सारं डिस्ट्रिक्ट. Don't think I can sing this. God.
Okay. Next one. It's a dialogue. हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि सांस कहाँ से ले और पादे कहाँ से.
मी तुझ्यात इतकी भोकं पाडीन की तू कन्फ्यूज होशील की श्वास कुठून घ्यायचा आणि पादायचं कुठून.
I love this song. I know you do also. बीड़ी जलैले जिगर से पिया. जिगर मा बड़ी आग है.
बिडी जळव तुझ्या जिगरातनं साजना जिगरात खूप आग आहे.
See, you made it sexy. I didn't do anything. ये the mentally sick हो चुका है.
तर ते तर अर्ध इंग्लिश मध्ये ना.
हम्म.
हा तर मेंटली द सिक झालेला आहे.
Okay. Last one, and I'll give you a very sweet song.
Oh, sweet song.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार.
That only I'll sing ना. Why you want to make it Marathi?
Sing in Marathi.
खुमार को क्या कहते हैं भाई?
Okay, let's Google.
One eternity later.
पहिला नशा पहिली धुंदी नवीन प्रेम आहे नवीन वाट बघणे.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, Mithila, for being such a sport, yaar. But that was fun. Did you have fun?
I had.
Yeah,
Thank
no,
you.
it's nice. Now, Mithila, coming to your 10 years in the industry, 10 years since the Cup song went viral. Okay. And so, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that you were a part of that early, what to say, like the digital social media wave. है ना?
I had no idea that like that would happen.
That वो viral हो
कि
जाएगा.
वो viral हो जाएगा. It was a very random afternoon where I had time and I just wanted to do this. So I was like कि नहीं ये आज कर ही लेते हैं. चलो आज मन किया है मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. So कोई इतना idea नहीं था. There was no setup. There was literally for as long as I got fair bit of silence. That's all that I needed. And for the longest time after that, in every interview I've said that also. कि just do what you feel like. Like you never know what happens of it. You never know. Just take the chance because the only thing that you will regret is the chance not taken.
Correct.
I read that somewhere and I was like, yeah, exactly. Just do it.
But then, you know, in 10 सालों में, of course, there's been lots of ups, downs, obviously. We've seen Mithila, then we've not seen Mithila at all. But then when you don't have, let's say when you're not that visible, when you don't have that sort of work, how do you hold yourself then, yaar?
I've been anxious. But otherwise, I think there came a point where I spent a lot of time thinking, yaar, kuch nahi ho raha hai. What do I do? Then I was like, why not use this time to go back to doing things that I actually always wanted to do? So maybe put myself in an acting workshop. That didn't happen. That's one thing that I will still find a window to do at some point in time. But that was a plan. I wrote things down कि जो मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ because of the schedules that happen when there is work. Let me do them now because now there is time. I've gone back to learning music because of that. So it did, like in a way did well for me because I'm like, okay, chalo, अगर वो ये नहीं हो रहा है, let me do other things that will at least help me find some grounding. There were things that were coming to me that I didn't want to do because I was not liking that. So then I was also waiting only through that time. So yeah, I tried to ground myself through other things.
10 years of being in this industry and it's tough. It's
Yes.
tough, right, to keep at it.
Yes.
Especially आज when the attention span is so less and you forget somebody this easily. इतनी जल्दी आप किसी को भूल भी सकते हो. What do you think really helped? Of course, showing up, like how you said, every day. But was it like reaching out to people for work? Was it have you done that?
I tried doing that. It's not been fruitful. In that phase तो कुछ नहीं हुआ था.
Okay.
क्योंकि वैसा काम ही नहीं हो रहा था जो that I felt like, okay, this is a project I would love to be part of. ऐसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा था and the projects that were happening were not coming to me. It was all like everything was happening at the same time. So yeah, showing up for yourself has helped, yeah, because it is hard. It is very tough, especially on days when you don't know. And हमारा काम ही ऐसा होता है कि आज पता है क्या करना है, कल nobody knows.
In the last 10 years, what have you learned about being a woman in the industry today that you think you didn't know when you just started out, right? Because you started out 10 years ago, you were in your 20s, early 20s. So what have you understood about the working of the industry today, now that you are 10 years past that version?
What I do think I have held close to me is that you have to be unapologetically you, because even if there is a little vulnerability, you like it's very easy to lose balance. I say that because I met somebody I was working with on a project, and they were doing my makeup and they said that my face is lopsided and that I need to fix it. But it happened to me, thankfully. I was lucky that it happened after the Cup song, after Girl in the City, after little things, and then it was like following projects. So all of this had already happened and people had accepted me for who I was. In fact, if anything, they were like, we are so glad that you're embracing your curls. We are so glad that you're being yourself, and that is what we love about you. That is what we relate to you. Because of that, we relate to you. So I already had that faith that, there are people who watch me for me, and I don't need to change myself. But I don't know, what would have been my thought process if this would have happened. It was fairly early in my career, but even earlier, like when I was
Correct.
absolutely starting out. I don't know.
Yeah.
So I think it's very important to have a sense of self, and then nothing can break you. It doesn't matter who thinks what, as long as you show up for yourself.
I feel एक change होता है, एक कुछ switch है. And I always heard people say कि the moment you enter your 30s, something will change. You will stop like giving, you will give less fucks, etc. What is the change that you've seen in yourself?
I'm learning to say no. I'm learning that there are polite ways to say no. When you say no, it doesn't mean you're being difficult. Like, those have been my learnings, and it switched for me
Yeah.
very recently, where I'm like, it's okay to say no. It doesn't matter. It's okay to be assertive.
Yeah, and it's a very, very interesting switch. बहुत ही empowering switch.
Very
है.
empowering. I was just
है ना?
about to say that it's a very empowering feeling. कि
Yeah.
It's okay.
Things have been pretty exciting of late. We've seen you on screen again. We saw you in Happy Patel. What phase of your career or life were you in when that happened for you? When that film happened for you?
Happy Patel actually was one of the first things that awakened me from my slumber of not having worked. Yeah, because I auditioned for it actually. And the way the year was going was either I was not liking the things that were coming to me, or I was auditioning or reading, and I was not going through. Like, the auditions were not taking me to the next step. So I was feeling very stuck. And when Happy Patel happened, I enjoyed the script so much, but I didn't know if it was going to happen. So I was like, I'm just going to enjoy this, and we'll see, because the pattern this year has been कि नहीं हो रहा है कुछ. And it happened. That is the point of my career when it happened. And I was like, great.
What makes you hopeful, excited about how roles for women are written nowadays and the
Because-
representation?
Of the opportunities that I have been getting, so I can,
Yeah, sure.
for me, those are the markers of change essentially, because I
Correct.
can speak from experience. And I really enjoyed playing my character in Happy Patel. In fact, there is a Telugu show that I'm doing which will come out on Netflix. And that girl, the agency she's like, she is a girl from a village in Telangana who is ambitious and who thinks that this realm of this village is not for me. I have to go beyond that and will make it happen. And the ways she finds to make that happen for herself, I was like, yaar, kya ladki hai? So I love that women are given that agency in stories, and like, even in Happy Patel,
Yeah.
I had a lot of agency, and like, even the last moment of that whole climax scene
Yes.
is all like, she ends it.
Correct.
Right? So I love it. I love that this is happening, and I love that I am getting those opportunities.
Yes, yes. And what's one change that you'd still like to see?
More women, yaar, generally on sets.
Hmm.
It's changing. I will not say no.
Yeah.
But like, the fact that Oscars for a cinematographer
Yeah.
happened for
Correct.
the first time now,
Yeah.
is telling of
Yes.
a lot.
Yes.
So more technicians as like women
Yeah.
in those roles will be amazing.
Correct.
Yeah. And I feel like it's a lot, like, it is a responsibility on men also, because I always say that because they have the power, and that's how the society has been, they have the power. As allies, it is on them to make that space. Because the more you kind of gatekeep it, and the more you're like, nahi, hum hi kar lenge, then there are no opportunities. So the best way to do that is that make space. Like, thoda retract. We can lead type of a thing. So
Yes, yes. And of course, what can you tell us about Bhoot Bangla? I'm so excited, Mithila. I am so excited about this genre, about the people on it. I'm of course very excited about you. But this universe, right? This Priyadarshan universe. क्योंकि यार मैं तो वो देखकर बड़ी हुई हूँ early 2000s
हाँ, हम
में.
सभी ना.
है ना? तो ये combination. So tell me, what can you tell us about that?
एक तो it was surreal to be on that set because of the same reason. कि
Yeah.
अरे ये सब ये मेरे आंखों के सामने हो रहा है, and you know why that combination works when you see them work together, because there is such a rapport, such an understanding between Akshay sir, Priyansh sir, Paresh sir, Rajpal sir, like all of them who worked together for so many years, they just उनको ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Riyan sir just like has to look at him and probably he'll know. It's like that. Akshay sir's comic timing is like it's just the most natural thing for him. It feels like.
Yeah.
When you're working with him, you can tell that he's enjoying playing comedy.
Yeah.
You know. So it was that, and it was a lot of fun.
But are you happy about your character? Like
Yes,
the way it's written?
unfortunately, I can't tell you too much about it.
Okay.
A lot of people have asked me if I am the booth. But again, I can't tell you.
ये
too much.
मजा आ जाएगा यार. If you like, it will be like completely unexpected out of Mithila. देखना. Okay, now I'm even more excited कि ऐसा क्या करने वाली है Mithila इसमें. I'm also very excited to see another face, another woman I've really looked up to, which is Tabu ma'am, of course. Well, I'm so excited.
Me too. I get to be
yeah.
a part of a film with her.
Yeah, what a force. What a force.
She's quite a presence, man. She's quite a presence. Like I was recently revisiting one of her films, and I was like, "Kya?" Matlab, just her presence is enough. It speaks enough. It's
Yeah. So looking forward to that, Mithila, and I'm very excited for you also. And lastly, because you've been like an internet baby, you started the virality thing. You know, you've been a part of this early wave. I have one question to ask you finally. एक चीज जो अभी इंटरनेट के बारे में आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है, कमाल की लगती है, and एक चीज जो नहीं अच्छी लगती.
both are the same thing.
अच्छा.
One is that जो बहुत अच्छी लगती नहीं, पहले जो नहीं अच्छी लगती is this like trolling basically, and I feel like everybody now has a voice, and everybody thinks that they can shoot someone down by just saying nasty things. मेरे बारे में बोला जाता है. A lot of people think that नहीं बोलते, but मैंने पढ़े हैं comments on my own posts. And what I love about it is that there are people who defend you. You don't have to say anything.
Yeah.
So I love it. I love it.
I have something. It is 10 years
They're magically here.
of the magically. It's 10 years of the Cup song.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay, let's go. इथं कुणी आसपासना, डोळ्याच्या कोनात हासना, तू जरा माझ्याशी बोलना, ओठाची मोहोर खोलना, तू लग बग जाता मग वळून पाहता, वाट पावलात अडखळली, जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवड्याच्या बनात नागिण सळसळली.
Nostalgia Pro Max.
Yeah.
Was it?
I don't know why I was nervous doing this. My God.
But yaad karo wo din, Mithila, when you just did it,
I know.
and
I know.
then see 10 years later.
It was fun. It was a fun day. 11th March
Yes.
2016.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
this fab journey of 10 years, and I'm so excited for whatever you do next.
Thank you.
Lots of exciting stuff coming up, and thank you for being such a cute girl's
Thank
girl.
you.
And
Thank you for
because
having
you
me.
are, there's a ritual on the show that every girl gets a sunflower. We have 2 for you.
Oh, thank you. I love it. I love getting gifted flowers. So cute. Thank you so much.